Let's get started. To register in CartaMe Loyalty, you need to fill in a simple registration form. Commercial name of the company. Taxpayer number. Choose what the company is engaged in providing services or selling goods. Select type of activity. Specify keywords by which your company can be found within CartaMe application. Choose tariff plan. Fill in the contact details of your company manager. Agree with the terms of personal data processing and the offer agreement. To enter the manager's personal cabinet, use the login and password sent to you by email specified during registration. This is the main screen of the manager's cabinet. It displays all the most important information. Revenue. Number of sales. Average check without discount. Average check with discount. Number of cashiers currently working. Ratio of customers who come to your stores with CartaMe application and guests. The tabs below are Revenue Monitoring, Sales Monitoring, Cashier Monitoring, Customer Monitoring, Purchase Statistics. If you have been on the page for a long time, you can always refresh the page for new data. You can filter the available data using filters by date or by store. Under the Products or Services tab, you can create a product or service. To create, click on Create. Select an image. Select a product or service. Write product name and description. Enter the old and new discounted price. The size of the discount is calculated automatically. Specify SKU of the product and attach a link to the product. You can evaluate the product yourself before publishing it in CartaMe application. On the Coupons tab, you can create coupons for all users or just your subscribers. Next, select an image. Write the name and description of the product or service. Specify the type of coupon. Specify the old and new price with discount. The size of the discount is calculated automatically. Specify the period of validity of your coupon. Attach a link to increase traffic to your web resource. Select the stores where the coupon will be valid. You can see how the coupon will look like before it is published. To create a news, click the Create button on the News tab. Next, select an image. Write the title. Make a description. Select the type of news. The news can be displayed to everyone, your subscribers or a specific user. For personalized news, you need to specify CartaMe ID of the user to whom the news is displayed. Specify the period of displaying the news in the application. Attach a link to increase traffic to your web resource. Select stores where the news will be displayed. You can attach previously created products or services to the news. You can also select the top 3 products to be displayed first. After creating the news comes to check for obscene content. After checking, the news will be automatically published. To add a cashier for the store, click Add a Cashier. Fill in first name, last name, phone number. Specify in which stores the cashier can work. The Clients tab displays all CartaMe application users who have agreed to share their personal data to participate in your loyalty program. The Company tab contains information about your company. Initially, the information is obtained from the questionnaire you fill in during registration. On the page you can change the company logo, business name, type of activity, information about the company, keywords for search. If you set the Participate in Promotions feature, users of the application will see that your stores provide a discount or loyalty program points. If you do not have this feature enabled, you can only post coupons. The Plastic Card Only feature is set if all stores cannot read barcode and QR code from the phone screen. On the page you go to the Discount System tab where you can select the type of discount system. It can be a fixed percentage discount or points. If you select points, you can specify how points are calculated. In the first cell you can specify the amount of 10 points in the receipt. In the second cell what amount of money is equal to 10 points. In the bottom cell the maximum percentage that can be paid with points. The next page is the description of the loyalty program. In the upper field is the name of your loyalty program, below is the link to the terms and conditions on the internet. Below is the description of the loyalty program itself. These are the terms and conditions that CartaMe application user sees and agrees to. On the Reports tab you can see how many customers were in the store who presented CartaMe ID and how many were regular customers. Also you can see the amount of money purchased by customers who presented CartaMe ID and the amount of money purchased by regular customers. You can use filters by date period, customer type, cashier, store. You can also download data for additional processing of uploading to other services. On the Analytics tab you can see information about revenue, number of sales, average check without discount, average check with discount, number of working cashiers, number of checks of customers with CartaMe ID and regular customers. For convenience, you can use the filter. You can filter the available data using filters by period, date, customer type and store. Technical Support tab. If you have any questions about the system performance, there is an opportunity to directly address questions to technical specialists by specifying email or phone number for feedback. In the history you can view the status of the request and the history of appeals. In the top bar you can choose your language. At the moment 6 languages are available: English, Russian, Uzbek, Polish, Romanian and Kazakh. The languages can be expanded in the future. Next to it there is a cabinet button where you can go to the selected tab or log out of the service. Thank you for watching. Connect to CartaMe Loyalty.